my loves, I'm Frida. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida, and I talk about all things skincare, all things lifestyle, all things beauty, product reviews, and so much more. And if you're my OG, my real MVP, my subscriber, you know how we do it on here. Thank you so much for your love, your consistency. Thank you for always subscribing, commenting, sharing, and turning on your post notification button in this channel. I love you so much. Thank you for the engagement, and God bless you. So today I'll be jumping straight into the topic because I think this is something that people don't really know, and I just want to talk about it. Okay, I'll be doing day versus night skincare routine and what you need to know. First of all, what is a day routine? The day routine is this is your skincare routine that you use during the day. If you're going out or you're staying at home, whatever, but it's whatever you use during the day. And your night skincare routine is whatever you use at night. What I'll explain to you is that using products at night is very effective. Why? Because at that point your body is at rest, right? Your body is just taking in everything of the day. Your body is at rest, you're at ease, you're not sweating, you're not overworking, nothing, you're not pressured, you're not stressed. So these products will work perfectly well at night. Now, what are the products that you use at night? You use your brightening products, your lightening products, your whitening products, your treatment products, your correction products. Those are the products that should be used at night. Why? Because these products contains active ingredients that could work in an adverse reaction when exposed to the sun. By adverse reaction, I mean instead of it working well, it work poorly, or it's even work in the opposite way. If it's meant to correct dark spots or correct hyperpigmentation, it might make the hyperpigmentation worse. Why? Because you use it at the wrong time of the day. So you see that timing is very important. Yes, so I'll be talking about your night skincare routine. Anything that you should be using at night should be things that are brightening, things that are glowing your skin, radiating your skin, improving your complexion. Okay, should be used at night. These products will help your skin greatly at night. Then during the day should be things that are hydrating, that are moisturizing, that are nourishing, that are protective. Do you understand? These products, things that will protect, will build your skin, should be used during the day. Stuff like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera gel, things that are very soothing to the skin should be used during the day. And then brightening products like retinol, hydroquinone, vitamin C, or vitamin C too can be used during the day depending though, but if you can use it at night, by all means. Glycolic acid at night, those products should be used only at night. You tend to see maybe when you go out under the sun, your skin starts to experience some form of redness, some form of irritation, and you think, this product is not good for me. It's not that the product is not good for you, it's the time that you're using it. The time that you're using it. Anything that is brightening has nothing to be looking on your face during the day. Don't go for any whitening products during the day because you want it to work more. I want it more. Rather be consistent, but don't say you use it morning and night because you want it to work more, except you're not stepping out. And the worst part is that some people say, me, I don't go out, so I'll be using my lightening products during the day. I don't have an issue with that. My problem is that all your windows and curtains are open. The sun that is outside is coming into your room and it's shining on you, and you're telling me that you're not going out. Please, what is the difference between you and somebody that is standing under the sun? Yes, if you know that you want to be using your lighting products during the day, stay at home, close your curtains, close your blinds, make sure that there is no light from the sun coming in, because UV ray, you don't need to have direct contact with the sun for UV ray to affect your skin. Okay, so that is why I advise that anything hydrating, moisturizing, nourishing should be used during the day, and anything lightening, stripping should be used at night. Okay, if you have any issues, you send me a DM and I'll explain better to you. And I can always create a routine for you for day and night, depending on what you want. If you want to increase your complexion, if you want to maintain your complexion, however you want to do it, just let me know. And what I'll advise you is, during the day, always make sure that you use your sunscreen is very, very important. I cannot overemphasize the importance of sunscreen. And then make sure that you reapply your sunscreen, because your sunscreen can wear out after 2 hours. Your sunscreen will wear off your skin. So make sure that you always reapply your sunscreen, and you're consistent with your sunscreen, and you're using safe, mild, hydrating products during the day. If you can even use baby products, use baby products during the day, is fine. Just nourish your skin. Then at night we can focus on achieving our skincare goals. Do you get? Yes. So that is that for day and night skincare routine. I hope you understand the difference now between day and night skincare routine. I'll see you in my next video, and make sure you like, you comment, you share, you turn on your post notification, and let your friends know that I posted a video. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.